Have you ever wondered how your brain deciphers words? It's a process that happens so quickly and effortlessly that we often take it for granted. A new study from Harvard Medical School offers a fascinating glimpse into this process, shedding light on the hidden mechanisms at play. Led by computational neuroscientist Mohsen Jamali, the research explores how individual neurons, the building blocks of our brains, react to language. These neurons are like tiny messengers, each playing a crucial role in how we understand and produce speech. This isn't your typical brain study. Traditional methods often rely on brain scans that show activity in broad strokes, giving us a general idea of which areas are active. Instead of relying on these broad scans, this study zeroes in on single neurons. By focusing on these tiny cells, researchers can observe the minute details of how our brains process language. By observing how these tiny cells respond to words, scientists can begin to unravel the intricate code of language processing. This detailed approach allows for a more nuanced understanding of the brain's inner workings. The study focuses on the left prefrontal cortex, a region known to be involved in language. This area is crucial for tasks such as speech production and comprehension. This area acts as a conductor, orchestrating the symphony of neural activity that allows us to understand and respond to words. Just like a conductor leads an orchestra, the left prefrontal cortex coordinates various neural signals to create coherent language. Through this groundbreaking work, we're gaining a deeper appreciation for the complexity of language and the remarkable capabilities of the human brain. This research not only enhances our understanding of neuroscience, but also opens new avenues for treating language-related disorders. Imagine your brain as a vast network of interconnected roads, each one leading to a different destination. Neurons are like the cars traveling these roads, carrying messages throughout the brain, ensuring that information gets to where it needs to go. Each neuron is specialized, responding to specific types of information, much like how different cars have different purposes. In the context of language, certain neurons are tuned to recognize and respond to individual words or concepts, acting as tiny interpreters. When you hear the word dog, neurons associated with that concept light up with activity, creating a vivid mental image. This neural activity is like a fingerprint, unique to each word and its meaning, allowing for precise communication. By analyzing these patterns, scientists can start to decipher the brain's vocabulary, unlocking the secrets of how we understand language. The study revealed that these word neurons aren't just passive receivers of information, they play an active role. They actively categorize and organize words based on their relationships to other words, creating a complex web of understanding. This intricate system allows us to not only understand individual words, but also grasp the nuances and context of language. It's this sophisticated network that enables us to comprehend sentences, stories, and conversations, making communication possible. Studying individual neurons requires incredible precision. The researchers accomplished this using two main technologies: traditional tungsten microarrays and cutting-edge Neuropixel probes. Think of tungsten microarrays as small grids of electrodes, like tiny microphones, that listen to the electrical whispers of nearby neurons. Neuropixel probes take this a step further. These probes are incredibly thin and flexible, allowing them to weave through brain tissue with minimal disruption. With over 100 recording sites on each probe, Neuropixel technology allows scientists to eavesdrop on the conversations of hundreds of neurons simultaneously. This provides an unprecedented level of detail, revealing the intricate dance of neural activity that underlies language comprehension. Analyzing the massive amounts of data generated by these recordings is like solving a complex puzzle. Each piece of data represents a small part of a much larger picture, and it takes a lot of effort and expertise to put it all together. To make sense of it all, the researchers employed a technique called Word2Vec. This powerful tool helps them transform words into numerical vectors, making it easier to analyze and interpret the data. Imagine a vast, multidimensional space. In this space, each word is represented by a unique point, floating in a sea of other words. In this space, each word is represented by a point. These points are not randomly placed. Their positions are determined by the relationships between the words. Words with similar meanings, such as cat and dog, cluster together. This clustering helps researchers understand how words are related to each other in the brain. Words with opposite meanings, like hot and cold, reside far apart. This separation highlights the brain's ability to distinguish between different concepts. By analyzing the distances between these word representations, researchers can map the brain's semantic organization, revealing how different groups of neurons specialize in processing specific categories of words. This mapping is crucial for understanding the complexities of language processing. This is like mapping the constellations of the brain, revealing the patterns hidden within the neural activity. Just as constellations help us navigate the night sky, these neural maps guide us in understanding the intricate workings of the human brain. Language is more than just a collection of words. It's about understanding the relationships between those words. The study highlights the brain's remarkable ability to use context to decipher meaning. Consider the words sun and sun. These words sound identical, but their meanings are vastly different. How does the brain know which one is intended? The study found that the surrounding words in a sentence influence how neurons respond. When the sentence's meaning is clear, the appropriate group of neurons, whether those associated with weather or family members, activate accordingly. This context-dependent neural activation demonstrates the brain's remarkable flexibility and ability to resolve ambiguity based on the surrounding information. This research opens a new chapter in our understanding of language processing. It reveals that language comprehension isn't a linear process, but rather a complex symphony of neural activity. Different groups of neurons, each specialized for specific aspects of language, work in concert to extract meaning from words and sentences. This symphony involves not only recognizing individual words, but also understanding their relationships to each other and the context in which they are used. The brain is constantly making predictions, resolving ambiguities, and integrating information to create a coherent understanding of the world around us. Language, it seems, is a testament to the brain's remarkable ability to find order in chaos. While this study provides invaluable insights, it's just the tip of the iceberg. Many questions about language processing remain unanswered. For example, how does the brain generate speech? What are the neural mechanisms underlying syntax, the rules that govern sentence structure? How do these processes vary across different languages and cultures? Answering these questions will require continued exploration of the brain's language networks. Scientists are eager to investigate how different brain regions communicate and coordinate their activity during language processing. They're also interested in studying the neural basis of language disorders, such as aphasia, which can impair a person's ability to speak, understand language, or both. The implications of this research extend beyond the realm of neuroscience. Understanding how the brain processes language could lead to advancements in artificial intelligence. By mimicking the brain's approach to language, we could develop more sophisticated language models and artificial intelligence systems that can truly understand and respond to human language. Imagine a world where computers can understand the nuances of human communication, where language barriers are a thing of the past. This research brings us one step closer to that reality. The human brain is often compared to the universe in its vastness and complexity. Each new discovery, like this study on language processing, reminds us just how much there is yet to explore. The more we learn about the brain, the more we realize how much we don't know. As we continue to delve into the inner workings of the brain, we're uncovering secrets that have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of what it means to be human. The journey of discovery has just begun.
So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's turn the page on a new adventure together. Get ready to experience books like never before, only on VBook 360. Like, comment, and share to support the channel and keep the video magic alive. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, every video has a story, and every story deserves to be shared. See you in the next video.